Hi there. If you are planning to invest in INPX or Inpixon, then this video is for you. Maybe you know that the total assets are around 30 million. And as you can see, the market cap is almost 10 million. So it seems undervalued based on their assets. But don't rush. You have to know the whole story. So let's begin. You can see that the revenue keeps growing. It went up from 6 million to 16 million. So that's great. But don't forget that they spend a lot of money. As you can see, they had a loss of 69 million for 2022 and other losses in the past. So be aware that they have no profits, no earnings. There are no estimates about this business because analysts don't cover this stock. It's too small for them. It's only 10 million market cap. And that's why there are no estimates. Now, if you want to know more about this business, you have to read their reports. First, let's start with their balance sheet. You can see that they have 50 million in cash, around 15.6 million. And now the market cap is almost 10 million. So it seems undervalued. The market cap is lower than their cash on hand, which is around 15.6 million. Plus, don't forget that they have 3.2 million in inventory and 1.4 million in investments in equity securities. And that's why their total assets are about 30 million. And the market cap only 10 million. So why I don't invest in this company when I see this opportunity? The market cap lower than their cash on hand. Well, if you dig deeper, you will see their total liabilities and also their short-term debt, which is around 14.8 million. And as they have 15.6 million in cash and their short debt is around 14.8 million, that cash on hand is not so valuable. Moreover, if you look at the revenue, you can see that they made 2 million revenue for the last quarter, Q2, but they spent 8.3 million to make 2 million revenue. So when you see these numbers, I think all of us can run a business like this, to spend 8.3 million and make 2 million revenue. It's quite easy to make some revenue when you burn a lot of money. Moreover, the revenue has declined from 2.5 million to 2 million. You can also see on their balance sheet. If you look at their inventory, you can see that it has increased from 2.4 million to 3.2 million. So not many companies are buying their system. If you wonder what they're doing, they are developing real-time locating systems. Imagine those sensors that you place on different devices and you can track their activities. And they also provide a system where you can monitor those sensors. So this is their solution. They offer this sensor plus a platform and you can monitor and control your business. By doing this, many companies will improve their productivity, reduce costs, and they'll generate more money. But don't forget, they are not alone. There are a lot of companies who are doing something like this. So there is also competition in every industry. Another important thing that I found is their clients. You have to ask the question, who are their clients? And if you search on their website, you'll see some reviews. For instance, Eric Baker, the Chief Innovation Officer from Schauenberg Systems. But if you search on LinkedIn about this company, Schauenberg Systems, and look at their management, you will find out that the Chief Innovation Officer is another person, Mark Stevens. So it's like they are lying to people with those fake reviews. You don't have to trust me. You can do the same thing. See the reviews and search about their companies on LinkedIn and find out if those people match, their names and their faces. So INPX may look undervalued based on their total assets and the cash on hand, but if you look at how much money they are burning, more than they make 2 million and then burn 8.3 million to make that revenue, then this is not a great investment. There is a lot of risk. Even though they have 13 million in cash, as they're spending over 8 million to make their revenue, they'll burn that money quite easily, very fast. So don't rely on their assets and don't think that this business will grow a lot in the future. Of course, the stock price may rebound, as the market cap is quite small, around 10 million. But when you invest, you also have to see the risk and then the reward. If the risk is low, then you can invest. But when there is high risk, no profits, fake reviews, and other stuff like this, then you have to avoid the stock. So I hope this video was helpful for you. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments.